I was driving northbound on US 17 coming through town, headed to a funeral one morning, and a guy on a motorcycle crossed the center lane and plowed right into the front of my car. Got checked out by the EMTs at the scene. When I left the scene, I went home. I had some pain. So on my way to go to the doctor, I decided to call Brooks Law Group, and the rest is history. Actually, I became a Brooks Law Group client actually about 12 years ago. And just a pamphlet that Steve gave me when I first came in and told me, hey, if you ever get in an accident, hey, throw this in your glove box, save this. And it's crazy that 12 years later, that same card with the instructions on what to do when you're in an accident is still in my glove box today. My experience has always been the same: professionalism, the best service, courteous. If you have a problem, they're gonna help you get through it. If the situation arose, they're gonna take care of it. I mean, I have nothing but great things to say about Brooks Law Group. The lawyers that I've had with Brooks Law Group for my case have always went up and above and beyond the call of duty. I mean, a lot of people walk in that door as a client, but I'm willing to bet more people walk out that door on the way going out as family than they ever did coming in as clients. I will tell people that I've referred my fiance, my daughter, my dad, friends, family members, and even people I didn't know, because they've done such a great job for me. So I refer a lot of people to Brooks. I refer a lot of people to Brooks. Every time I walk in the office, I walk out with a stack of cards, because you want your friends to have great representation when they go through a situation like this. And the only way that you can ensure that they have great representation when they go through a situation, whether it's disability or accident, injury, is to know that you're recommending them to the best lawyers in town. So me personally, I always recommend people to Steve, Brooks Law Group. They're the best lawyers you're gonna get. They are simply the best lawyers you're gonna get, hands down.